Guys, listen. I have conclusive scientific empirical evidence that traps are in fact not gay. You see, it has to do with the well understood science of gay spectroscopy. Essentially, you can imagine that men and women carry different integer values. Men carry a value of 1 and women carry a value of 0. The science of these values is far too complicated for this discussion, so I won't even bother getting into it. A relationship or interaction's gay value is directly connected to the average of all possible participants. As an example, heterosexual sex is an average of 0.5 on the gay scale, making it categorically straight. Two women having relations is a gay score of 0, putting it on the extreme left of the spectrum, classifying it as lesbian or gay in a broader sense. Now for traps, this equation is a little different. The average this generates depends on factors such as how feminine his cock is. In general, the average is zero point 0.5, but the variance is wide. Now, if we enter this here, we would conclude that traps are straight and in fact not gay. But that doesn't provide a whole picture, as this logic would show that men and women are also categorically gay. So the only way to measure the relative sex levels, RLL, of a subject is to analyze their relations. If a trap fucked a man, minus the factors such as if it was Gay Tuesday, or if they're wearing socks, or if they said no homo, we can conclude that the average of this relationship would in fact be 0.75 RLL. In a similar example, if a woman trapped fucked, that would be an average of 0.25 RLL. This means that traps are generally bisexual in any given interaction, but as a whole, traps are on average are 0.5 on the scale when considering all possible interactions. I don't have time to go into the deeper philosophical implications of these scientific findings, but I may go into it in a future lesson. Until then, please make sure to work on your projects. I expect to see some quality thigh highs next Monday.